Do you want to know how to generate more listing leads for your business? In this video, I'm going to talk about 5 simple yet extremely powerful ways that you can generate listing leads in your business. If you liked this video, hit the like button, subscribe to get more videos like it, and also post a comment below to let me know which of the 5 strategies was your favorite method. So here are 5 ways that you can generate listing leads for your business. Number 1, wear a name tag. I know so many agents do this, and this is so simple. But when you're out in the community, one of the simplest ways to start a conversation is to wear your name tag and the realty company you're at. One step further is tip number 2. Wear clothing and a hat that makes a call to action that you're a real estate agent. For an example, there's a lot of different stores out there on Etsy. There's another one, I think it's called All Things Real Estate. And there's a handful of people who sell clothing that say, have a question about real estate. Do you want to sell a home? Thinking about selling a home? Want to know how to, have questions about buying a home? You can put it on a hat, you can put it on your shirt, you can put it on the back of your shirt. Those are simple ways that as you're walking through the community, maybe on the weekend or maybe with your kid at the park or dropping your kid off at school, wherever it is, if you wear clothing that tell people you're in business, just like the name tag, it's a really good way to start a conversation and to earn more business. It's a great way to generate listing leads. Another simple yet powerful method is using a car magnet or lettering. I know some people think of them as cheesy, but depending upon what type of clients you're pursuing and what you think of it, putting either lettering on your car or a magnet on your window or the back window of your SUV or your pickup truck or your car, whatever it is, that you're in real estate is a really good way to brand build for your name and to get more business. So if you're going after luxury listings, for an example, maybe it doesn't make sense. Maybe it's not a good idea, or maybe you have a magnet that you can pull on and off. Whatever you do, have the magnet or the lettering match your branding. The same thing goes back to the clothing and hat. You want to ask a question and almost have it be more of a billboard that has a call to action. So if you like these 3 tips, you're going to like the other 2, but also check out the link in the description below. It's smartagents.com/leads to get a list of a bunch of different ways, anywhere from 27 to 97 different ways you can generate listing leads for your business. So number 4 is putting a call to action, I put CTA for short, on your business card. I see so many business cards out there that are just lame, or they don't give any info, or you can't even figure out that they're a real estate agent because there's not enough detail on it. If you're going to take the time to print a business card, which obviously every real estate agent should have a business card, put a call to action on it. Ask a question like, need to find out what your home is worth for free, call me, or email me, or whatever it is, or thinking about selling your home, contact me if you have any questions, or want to know how to, the best time to sell a home, call me, or whatever it is. Same goes back to the car magnet or the name tag or the clothing. It should be simple, straightforward, make tons of sense, and just maybe even ask a question. Want to know how to sell your home for top dollar in a time that's acceptable to you? Call me here. Simple. It doesn't need to be complicated, but make a call to action. We actually have business cards that's like a trifold business card, and it's like a mini sales letter. If you're going to take the time to give away a business card, make it count. Make it persuasive. Get business from it. So that's some of the stuff that we do. Number 5 is bulletin boards in retail stores and restaurants. There's a little hole-in-the-wall sub shop that we go to every once in a while in the community I live in. And there's probably like 20 different real estate agent cards on this little bulletin board that's as big as this white paper here. And it's always funny because as I'm sitting in line, I'm reading the cards and I'm reading the call to actions that they have on it. And that's one of the things that inspired tip number 4 is so many real estate agents just have a crappy, lame business card that's not serving them. It's just like their name, their photo, and they have like KW on it. Like KW is great, but a buyer or seller doesn't know that KW means Keller Williams Realty. So that's another reason why you should put a call to action and use those bulletin boards. When you go into the community, have a load of, a pile or a stack of business cards in your pocket and pin them to those boards. Pin 5. But again, if you're gonna do it, make sure the business card counts. maybe get a bigger one. Maybe do like mini postcards or little flyers. And when everyone else is doing business cards, you got like a big old flyer on it. I'm going to pin that thing to it. Stand out, get attention, make offers, make it clear that you're a real estate agent, that you're there to help, that you're there to serve, and that you're there to help them sell their home for top dollar in a time that's acceptable to them, or whatever that offer may be. So that is our 5 simple yet powerful strategies that you can use. There are tons of other strategies that you can use to generate more business. And if you want to learn about them, go to smartagents.com/leads, and I'll give you a list of a bunch of other strategies. There will either be this guide here, 27 ways to get listings on it, or there may be a list of 97 different ways to get listing leads in your business. So I hope that was helpful. If you liked this video, again, hit like, subscribe to our channel to get more like it. And if you have anything to add to this, stuff that you've seen that's been a complete fail, post in the comments below. I'd love to talk to you more. We respond to all the different comments that people post. We love hearing from you guys. So thanks for watching. We'll talk to you next time.